This is one of the most popular planners from Kellofaplan, and now it's back. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and the brand new work planner from Kellofaplan is releasing this Friday, May 29th, 11 a.m. on the East Coast, 10 a.m. Central Time, you guys. When Heather released her work planner last year, it was one of her most popular layouts. Whether you're working or not, you're going to love this planner. So we have the new planner, we have stickers, we have new covers, we have new inserts. There's a ton to go over in this video. I just want to remind you, May 29th is the release day. I do have an affiliate code. Thank you in advance for shopping that code. All right, let's dive in. All right, we're going to jump into the 12-month work planner. Of course, the beautiful box. You guys, there's no boxes better than the Kellofaplan boxes for organizing all the things. I'm just going to throw that out there. Here is the new planner. It says, build a life you are proud to live. You have the plastic discs over here. Here's the back with gorgeous florals, very muted and beautiful, very mature and sophisticated, and stripes on the cover. Inside cover, absolutely perfection. So it's a gorgeous planner. First of all, just absolutely beautiful. Oops, let me snap that back on. And now let's dive into this layout. This is your year. Florals all around the edge. You have your name right there. Planning a Life I Love, 12-month work planner. All right, here's your yearly overview, big events in the year, vacation paid time off tracker. That's an important one to have, not only to track, but to make sure you're using those days. You know what I mean? More of the tracker, important contacts, name, email, number, notes. Why don't we have address books anymore? I like that it's in here, ready to go. That's really helpful. And then a password tracker. So ready to jump in, all the basics that you need for work. But look at these dividers, you guys. They are realistic florals. All the Kellofaplan dividers are front and back, which is awesome because you can reuse them, which I love. And let's dive into this layout. First, we start with the monthly overview. Important dates, monthly goals, priorities, habit tracker, and notes. So far, this doesn't have to be work related. You know what I mean? Like just for your life, important dates, monthly goals, top priorities, habit tracker. This looks great. Perfect for everyday life. Then you go into monthly layout. This one is undated. So it's a 12-month planner, has 12 months in here. You can start it whenever. You just have to add the date, month, etc. Then we go into weekly plans. So here is what is great about this planner. It's just 1 week right here. On the back of the monthly, you have a place for extra notes, maybe things you're working on, tracking, and then you have a 1 week look. Weekly plans. You mark the date, Monday through Sunday. What's going on? Maybe you're doing work hours, main tasks, top three priorities for the week, this week, next week, and notes. What a simplified planner. It is lovely. So many people love this planner layout. And just like I said before, there's nothing here that says work on it. It's a very simplified schedule, a place for tasks and things to get done this week, next week. You can very easily retitle these. Maybe you have a chore list, maybe you have a shopping list, whatever it is. It's just so simple and it's just one page, which really makes it really user-friendly, just depending on what your schedule is. So I love this layout. You have it front and back, just like this, for all of the weeks of the month. And then at the end, you have the monthly recap. Simplified, straightforward, absolutely perfect for work, but also perfect for a simplified planner for yourself. So let's go through and see the different dividers. Again, gorgeous florals. This is giving me a little bit of like fall feels, but really I feel like it's like a sophisticated look, which is nice because if you are going into the office, having something that's a little more sophisticated is lovely. I love all the color. I want like, you know, lights on my planner basically, but depending on what environment you're working on, you might want something a little more toned down. Do your work with intention and let progress follow. Beautiful. Coming here, beautiful florals. Same layout throughout. Just checking out the dividers now. Front and back, which I have loved forever. It's just the best way to go. Purpose turns ordinary work into meaningful progress. So pretty. Love. Very nice. Super pretty. The best progress happens when patience meets effort. Gorgeous. Check out the back. Very pretty. Your work has value even on the hard days. I love that so much. Love, love, love. Okay, so that is the weekly overviews. That's the main portion. But then you have extra sections in this planner that make it even more helpful for actual work activities. So it starts with your daily section. These are daily pages. Daily plans, when you're really breaking up what's going to happen in that day. You have your schedule, top 3, meetings, call or email, follow up, a to-do list, and notes. I think this is a fantastic daily page. I don't always need a schedule, but what I love about this particular one is that you can mark your own times. Maybe your day starts at 6 a.m. Maybe your day starts at 11 a.m. You can make your own time blocks on here, which can be very, very helpful. I love the to-do list and I love this section in the middle. This is just a very straightforward daily page. This is not necessarily one I would spend a lot of time decorating. It's one that I would just use as a functional thing to get done. So love that we have a bunch of daily pages in here that you can use. And again, this isn't something that you're going to need every single day. This is something that you're going to kind of come and go from as needed. So that's the daily plans. Then you have a project section. Here is the project planner. Start date, end date, project title, project objectives, project partners, resources, key milestones, action plan, and notes. Now, I get questions all of the time, in all honesty, about how I track craft projects. What about a craft project that you're working on? This is actually a lovely layout to do that. You have your project title, the objectives, people that you're doing it with, meaning people that are also doing something similar, the resources. This might be your list of things, supplies you need, milestones, things you need to get to on a project. I kind of dig how this is broken down, but also for projects around your home, in your life, big things you're working on. This is a lovely way to plan it out and break down a big goal into smaller goals. So I think that's really, really helpful. And then on the back, you have lined paper so that you can do a vision board. You can take notes. You can do anything you need. Maybe you're taking notes at a meeting. This is perfect. So project planner, great addition. Consistency creates results. Here's your meeting page. Meeting minutes, you have the dates right here. Here's the info, meeting topics, presenters, the agenda, objectives, takeaways, next steps. Love this. And notes. Wonderful. I remember sitting through many a professional development meetings as a teacher. Something like this to break it down would have been very helpful. And then you have lined paper on the back, which is great to take any extra notes that you might need. So that's the meeting minutes. And then the last section in this planner is just some lined paper. So we all love having extra note pages. It's a wonderful, wonderful planner. I'm a big fan of the layout. And like I said, it's called the work planner, but I hope that you can see that it can work for so many different things in your life, so many different ways to track all the things. Love, love, love this. So here is the work planner. Then there are 2 new snap covers. You all have heard me just rave about the Kellofaplan snap covers. I love a decorative cover. You all know that. I have many of them in my own shop, but I love the snap covers to protect my regular cover. So I got this one. I believe the 2 new covers are both in shades of brown. There's a lighter one and a darker one. I think, I forget if I have the lighter one or darker one. I'm going to be completely honest. I forget which one I got. But what I love about this, I would probably change out these discs. If I'm being honest, I would put the metal discs on this planner. But look how beautiful and like sophisticated this looks, especially with this work release. If you are like a neutral girly, then this is going to be perfect for you. Look how pretty. It's just like, even I make a planner for my husband every year, help him put one together. This is one that he would feel completely comfortable carrying with this cover. I love that it has a pen loop. That works fantastic. Like, this is just a very mature looking cover. And like I said, a couple of different shades of brown are what the new covers are. And if you haven't tried a Kellofaplan snap cover, like, what are you even doing? It's so wonderful. They're my fave. I recommend her covers to snap right on your planner. I like a metal disc though. I feel like things get caught on a plastic discs, and metal discs just let things slide a little bit smoother, but also these are brand new. You kind of got to break in discs. I don't know if you guys knew that, but you have to like get it going. But that is the new snap covers, 2 different shades. Love, love, love. Then, of course, we have other goodies. These are project planning sheets. We have the project planner. These are additional inserts that you can buy to supplement what is in the planner. So maybe these were things you loved. Maybe you loved the daily plans. You don't need a whole new planner, but the daily planning sheets, love that. Daily plans, here's the project planner and meeting minutes. Absolutely perfect, especially if you are going to use this planner, you're going to go through these things. So going ahead and getting the extra inserts, so you have them to supplement what is in the planner. Perfection. Then last but not least, of course, would it be a release from Kellofaplan if we didn't have a beautiful coordinating sticker book? I think not. This is Work Plans Volume 2. All of these colors coordinate perfectly with the planner, and she's so helpful. In the top left-hand corner of each sticker sheet, you're going to see what those boxes are designed for. So these are monthly boxes. Love the little checklist in there. I like this kind of marbled look. It's almost like a suede, actually, not marbled, like a suede look. It's very nice. Work monthly boxes. This one is work weekly boxes left side. So let me just show you what this is talking about so we can see how it coordinates. These boxes are meant to cover here, and then you can add like a little to-do list. So maybe you only work Monday through Friday. You don't need Saturday and Sunday in a work planner. Then you could put a box there and have it used for another purpose, which is awesome. So those are the work weekly boxes left side. A couple of pages of those. Work weekly boxes right side. So this one coordinates here. This square is going to cover here. This rectangle fits here. This one fits here. So it all coordinates perfectly. All of these little bullet points are going to fit into those circles. It's just so well thought out, which I absolutely love. So good. A couple of pages of those. Here's your work daily boxes. So let's skip over to daily pages so you can see how that works. If you want to fill in this with a long strip of stickers, this will work. Let me pull it up. Hold on. Yeah, this is one long strip that will coordinate perfectly into the schedule. You have these boxes that would fit right in here. And then, of course, these cutie boxes as well that will cover up those. Then a couple of pages of that. These are also for the daily. This one coordinates right here. This one right here. You guys are getting the impression. This one, if you use this long one, covers up these and brings in the color. And of course, these coordinate with those boxes as well. So well thought out. Love them, love them, love them. These are more of this one. Super cute. Lots of those boxes. Tons of the daily. Project planner boxes. Let's see how this coordinates. So we have this will fit those. This is going to fit right here. And it might also, that might be the similar size. Love the little checklists for right here. Check, check, check. Key milestones. Header that will cover up one of these if you need it. This will cover up right here. It's just, like I said, it's so good. It's so good. Meeting minutes. Let's see what that looks like. Yep, these here. This is going to coordinate up here. I'm guessing we're going to get squares. Maybe not. Maybe not the squares, but I like the little checklists, little check marks. That's pretty cute. All right, and then lots of work words. So appointment, deadline, email, follow-up, video call, interview, daily check-in, work remote, payroll. These are great. A ton of them. And some great quotes. I'm not feeling very worky today. I could be working, but instead I'm in a meeting about how to get more work done. So true. Hard work never killed anyone, but why take the chance? It's so true. Seriously, I need a vacation. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. I absolutely agree. This whole going to work thing is getting very inconvenient. It's true. Pretend it is Friday. I always give 100% at work. Monday, 11%, Tuesday, 24%, Wednesday, 40%, Thursday, 23%, Friday, 2%. Love it. And then we have some beautiful decorative stickers. These are on clear sticker paper. Some florals that coordinate. Beautiful frames. Love those. Very pretty. Some more florals. These are really pretty. That's lovely. I like how that looks. Love a border moment. That's awesome. And more florals as well. Super pretty. Oh, I love a corner floral. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, this is the work release, you guys. I know not everyone is working right now. Some of y'all are retired. Some of your work doesn't necessarily call for this type of sheet, but I hope you hear what I'm saying. You can use these in so many ways, and I think that is just what's fantastic about what Heather Kell designs, is that it is versatile for sure. Work release goes live on May the 29th. I do have an affiliate link, so check that out, QR code on the screen, or I have a link down in the description box of this video. Let me know what you think of the work layout. I think it is genius. Love, love, love it. All right, that is going to wrap it up for today. Thank you so much for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. I want to give a huge shout out to my Patreon members. Thank you all so much for a wonderful month of May. And over in Patreon in the month of June, here comes Planner Camp. Planner Camp is my favorite month of the year. You don't want to miss out. Find out more info at patreon.com/ScrappyWife. All right. I hope that you have an absolutely fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.